When I was a child, I was a very shy, creative. I really wanted to build a lot of things. I remember sketching tree houses nonstop when I was younger, but I never really built a tree house. My name is Sarah Lineberger, and I am the co-founder of Hand in Rose. When I first started getting interested in flowers, I was at the age of 15. It was an after-school job. I found that through flowers you could definitely alter a space through color and texture and volume, and it was a fantastic learning experience at a young age. I met Awol in New York when we were 23 or 24. I was upstairs working all day long. He was downstairs working all day long. We became best friends. We'd cross paths. We'd go out together. And we eventually became romantic partners. And we've had such a blast collaborating ever since. There definitely was a moment where we both decided, okay, either we do it now, we're not getting any younger, we have to just pull the trigger. Hand in Rose is the third business I've started. And in the other two past businesses, I learned really fantastic lessons. You know, you kind of have to fail a little bit to learn. Hand in Rose is essentially a vehicle for community. We've always wanted to, really explore what it would be like to, take the flower truck to areas where there are no flower shops. The bright yellow is definitely a cue from a lot of Awol's work. Awol, really tends to work with, bright, kind of near primary colors. People's reaction with the truck is, it's always really fun. And then it's definitely an Instagrammable moment. Awol and I like to define success based on being able to do what we love every day. I mean, that's success. Not having to go into a job where we have to clock in and dread, going into every morning. Being able to have time to do the things that we love, that to me is success. We were really eager to launch a store in order to give Hand in Rose more of an experience. By having the brick and mortar, we're able to, create a vehicle for other people to put their work out and also bring people in store. It's interesting. I've had a lot of kind of memories coming up from, having my first brick and mortar and feeling like, like this is a new baby. You want to be here. You want to interact with everyone that comes in the door. You want to show everyone around. You want to, give everyone the best experience possible. To make an idea a reality, you really have to act on it. If you have an idea, put it on paper. If it's an idea that keeps coming up, put it into action. We're not the first ones to have a flower truck. I know that, but we just want to be the best ones.